sobrang mahal ko yung ex ko. So may sasagutin tayong question ngayon. And sabi niya, ate, advice naman, nahihirapan kasi ako ngayon, sobrang mahal ko yung ex ko. Pero mas pinili niyang saktan at lokohin lang ako ng paulit-ulit. Pag-usapan muna natin yung nararamdaman mo. Bago ka makamove forward sa kahit anong bagay, you first need to understand what you're feeling. Hindi mo siya fully naiintindihan pa and hindi mo siya fully na-accept pa. That's why you keep on coming back. Valuable sa'yo yung isang bagay. Hindi talaga maiiwasang masaktan ka. Watching different types of movies and naro-romanticize tuloy natin yung pain. Tayo na ngayon nasasaktan, tayo pa yung nagigilty. We get addicted to fixing it. Paulit-ulit na kasi siya, and if it's already breaking you, would you want to stay in that kind of situation? Dahil nga sabi natin, minahal natin yung isang tao, hindi pa matanggap ng utak natin na gantong klaseng tao na pala siya and he's not the same person na minahal mo noon. Sometimes you're waiting for some sort of closure. Pero para sa akin kasi, you also have to set boundaries for yourself. Kasi kapag inubos mo yung sarili mo, mas mahihirapan kang i-recover siya. I believe sobrang laki ng mundo, sobrang dami po pang pwedeng gawin, sobrang dami pang taong nagmamahal sa'yo. And hindi mo deserve na paikutin yung buhay mo, waiting for someone to change, and waiting for him to love you again. Or to love you the way you want to be loved. Kasi alam mo naman kung paano ka dapat mahalin.